was the favorite. And the Raptor Lock draws for your lead, moving up, compelled to lead. Then by the rail, May Bukas pa as si Kuday Sari outside, in between runners go. Vinny, Flying Hope, Stormtrooper, while Skyline Pigeon is the early trailer as they leave the straight and going to the 3/4 mile pole with compelled to lead. Now takes up the running by a length and a half. Racing in second, Tarlac down in third, May Bukas pa. Go Vini now down in fourth, racing in fifth, Asikuda running alongside, racing in sixth is Flying Hope. By the rail, seventh is Stormtrooper, and trailing the group still is Skyline Pigeon heading towards the last 800. Now we have compelled to lead, throwing a challenge is Tarlac, and now grabbing the lead, racing in third, May Bukas pa. Go Vini, Asikuda, Flying Hope, third last, second last, Stormtrooper, Skyline Pigeon as they race towards the last 450 with Tarlac still leading the field. May Bukas pa now moving up party outside, compelled to lead, fighting back once again down on the inside. Compelled to lead, Tarlac, May Bukas pa are now fighting it out for the lead. Compelled to lead, Tarlac at the center, May Bukas pa is on the outside. Compelled to lead, Tarlac, May Bukas pa. May Bukas pa now doing the better over Tarlac. And finally, May Bukas pa, Tarlac, compelled to lead, Go Vini, Skyline Pigeon for your Pentapecta. Then comes Flying Hope, Asikuda, Stormtrooper.